Alright, thanks for watching. I got a Windows 10 laptop and I'm going to show you guys how to make it so when you sign on you don't have to put your password in. But you first must sign in and know the administrator's account. Enter that in. Click on the little window tab. That's going to come up. And sometimes you have a search bar. If you don't have one, just go ahead and type this in. And I'm going to show you guys what to type in. NETPLWIZ. Okay, it should say run command. Click on that. And you'll get this other page here, and it's as easy as this, guys. Uncheck that little thing there that says users must enter a username and password to use this computer. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck it. Then you're going to have to click on apply. Click on that, and now it wants you to confirm that you know the password, which it is GIZMOS11. Confirm it. GIZMOS11 and click OK.
He had his phone out, got in trouble and put on his other phone.
Push OK again.
Me too. No, yes, he kept like a
That's it, guys. It's logging on. There we go. We're on, and we didn't have to enter our password. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up button.